In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PowerPoint version in just 5 minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting, preparing to install updates, or simply curious about which version of PowerPoint you're using, knowing how to find this information can come in handy. Let's dive into the simple steps to uncover the version of PowerPoint installed on your computer. First things first, let's start by opening your MS PowerPoint. You might do this by clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop taskbar, or by searching for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar. Once you've located and clicked on the PowerPoint icon, wait a moment for the program to launch. You'll know it's ready when you see the PowerPoint start screen, which displays a variety of templates and recent documents. Now that PowerPoint is open, our next step is to open a file from the opening screen. You can do this by selecting a recent document from the list or by clicking on Open Other Presentations at the bottom of the screen. This action is necessary to access the full range of menu options in PowerPoint. If you don't have a specific file to work on, just open any presentation or create a new blank presentation. This step is more about getting into the right environment within PowerPoint than the content of the file itself. Once your file is open, navigate to the File tab located in the upper left corner of your screen. This tab is part of the ribbon, a long strip of icons and options that runs across the top of PowerPoint's interface. Clicking on the File tab will take you away from the editing screen and into a menu with several options relating to the file and application settings. Think of this as the central hub for operations outside of creating and editing slides. After entering the File menu, look for the Account option. It's usually found towards the bottom of the list on the left-hand side. If you're using PowerPoint as part of an Office 365 subscription or a newer version of Office, you should easily find the Account section. Clicking on this will take you to a screen where you can manage your Microsoft account and product information. Finally, to discover which version of PowerPoint you're using, direct your attention to the section titled About PowerPoint. This might appear as a link or a button, depending on your version. Click on it and a new window will open that contains detailed information about your PowerPoint application, including the exact version number. This is the piece of information you've been looking for. The version number is typically formatted as a series of numbers separated by dots or sometimes commas. It tells you not just about the major version of PowerPoint you're running, like PowerPoint 2016 or PowerPoint 2019, but also the specific build and update level, which can be crucial for compatibility and troubleshooting purposes. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to finding out which version of PowerPoint you have installed. This method works across most versions of PowerPoint used in recent years, including those part of the Office 365 subscription service and standalone versions of Microsoft Office. As a bonus tip, keeping your software up to date is crucial for security purposes and to take advantage of new features and improvements. If you find that your version of PowerPoint is outdated, consider visiting the official Microsoft website or the Help menu within PowerPoint for instructions on how to update to the latest version. Understanding which version of PowerPoint you have can help you better utilize the software, access the correct tutorials, and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. It's a small detail, but in the world of software, sometimes the smallest details have the biggest impact. Remember, the technology you use is a tool to enhance your productivity and creativity. Knowing more about these tools, down to which version you're running, can often make your work smoother and more efficient. Thanks for taking the time to learn with me today. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips on making the most of your digital tools.